Are you looking for a cheap and reliable compact mechanical keyboard, be it for gaming, general productivity, or even just a bit of both, while being able to connect wirelessly to any device using Bluetooth? Then this RK71 keyboard that I have here from Royal Kludge fits the bill, while being a compact 60% keyboard that fits into your bag and being affordable at just under $50. Hello there, it's TZH here with Technological Gadgets, always bringing you the best in tech and making it work for you. On this channel, we sometimes teach you how to improve the tech you already own, and other times we do tech gear reviews of products such as keyboards like this one that don't break the bank. So if you like the content, make sure to drop a like to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content just like this and help support the channel. And as always, we will start off with the packaging and unboxing experience. It comes in this nice black and orange box with some white accents and Royal Kludge keyboard written on the front. On the top, you will find the model number and the key layout. On the bottom, there is an RK Gaming written there, as well as their website. Lastly, on the back, you will see an outline of the keyboard as well as the manufacturer and address. Opening it, you get a keycap puller, a card, and of course the keyboard wrapped in a plastic to protect it. Removing the second layer, you can get access to the pretty long USB-C to USB-A cable with a Velcro wrapped around it. And yes, this keyboard does have a USB-C port. Removing the plastic, we can finally take a look at the keyboard itself. I have the black model with the blue switches, but you can get it in white as well as either blue, aka the clicky ones, red switches, the silent and smooth ones, or brown switches, which are the tactile and feel similar to the blue switches without any audible click. The keyboard itself looks really nice with a 65% layout, ABS concave keycaps which are removable, white backlighting grills on each side that light up, and a comfortable tilt to make it super comfortable to type with. On the back, you get the USB-C port as mentioned to connect this keyboard to your computer. The keyboard to slide around, along with an on-off switch for this keyboard used in Bluetooth mode or wired mode, which is super handy in my opinion, as most keyboards at this price range don't even offer any wireless capability. But now let's move on to my experience using this keyboard. But before that, let's do a quick sound test. As for my experience using this keyboard, it was honestly very good, which I wasn't expecting coming from my $100+ Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum, and the 65% form factor meant more room for my mouse, which is great as I play a lot of first-person shooters. And you can check out some of my gameplay using this keyboard on my Twitch streams over at twitch.tv/tzhplays. And satisfying when typing on it for a long period of time, which I do a lot, and I mean a lot. As for gaming, it gives me the reassurance that I've clicked a certain key and used, let's say, a certain item or ability in game. But what I did not like about using blue switches, which you can get in both red and brown switches, is that it makes pressing keys really fast, such as jiggle peeking, a little hard. Also, coming from a full-size keyboard, I gotta get used to not having a numpad and any macro keys, which can be solved by getting a macro pad and numpad if you really need it, and I'll link some budget options down in the description below for those who need it. Other than that, the small form factor means that it fits in my backpack easily to use on the go, along with a mouse, some headphones, a laptop, and maybe a laptop stand, and I can basically have a full-blown setup to use on the go. And on to my conclusion, I think this keyboard is really perfect for a lot of people, especially for gamers, which I recommend to buy with, of course, red switches. As for the other people, I still highly recommend it, but with either blue switches if you type a lot, or brown switches if you want it more silent, as it really saves a ton of desk space, as it is just 65%. And unless you need macros or a numpad, which in that case you can get an external one, this keyboard I think will be perfect. So if this video has helped you on whether you should get this keyboard or not, do let me know by dropping a like on this video. And if you would like to pick up this keyboard, a link to buy it will be down in the description below, where you can find it for the lowest price. Also, if you would like to support the channel for free, you can consider subscribing, which helps me a ton in making these sort of videos.